So doing what I love, probably, acting. Acting talaga. Just like
Yeah.
music and just the arts talaga.
Yeah. Yeah. What about you, Alexa?
In 5 years, I hope to still be doing this. I hope to be an award-winning actress.
You already are.
You ready are?
And of course, sa music din. Of course, gusto ko ipagpatuloy yun.
Wow.
And kasi 5 years is actually so fast. So,
Yeah,
I'm
that's true.
more on focusing on that first. And of course, if I can also get into business then, with real estate naman. So, I hope I can do that. Pero focus talaga ako sa craft ko ngayon. Kasi, strike while the iron is hot, diba? So, wanna keep on working and working. And if kami naman ni KD, kung nakapagpatayo man siya ng label, wala, gawa lang ng gawa pa ng more music.
Yes, more music.
It's
Nagaling
a
sa
Ibang label.
Ha?
Not music
Ah.
label.
Ano?
Wala.
Guys, ano ba tong dalawan to? Nakakaloka naman to. May sarili
Bakit?
silang usapan. Andito kami, ha?
Na pa nga kami nagchat-chat dito habang naghihintay sa inyo.
Alam
Yeah,
ko,
we're just
nakikita ko sa reaction ng mga mukha ninyo. Alam ko yan, guys. My God. So, thank you for the question. Cloud, thank you so much. 5 years from now, may katanungan naman ako sa mga sweethearts.
Oh my God, wait. Ngayon ko lang nag-gets yung sinabi ni KD.
Yeah.
Ngayon ko lang siya nag-gets. Never mind. Okay, tuloy.
Okay.
My ultimate wish for my music career is just to continue flourishing. Continuous blessings, and if I'd be shooting for the stars, to maybe hopefully win awards. Why not?
My ultimate wish naman for my music career is be an artist first and then become producer. As I'll just keep going up the ladder in terms of career wise. Because I also want to produce. I also want to make my own music label, like an indie.